Ready to level up your Depop game? Man, make selling and buying a breeze. Connecting your PayPal is the key. So let's dive right into how to do it. First things first, fire up the Depop app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your Depop profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the settings icon. It usually looks like a little gear or cog. Tap it. Scroll down the settings menu until you find something along the lines of payment settings or linked accounts. Select that. You should see an option to connect your PayPal account that might say connect with PayPal or linked PayPal. Tap on that. This will redirect you to the PayPal login screen. Enter the email address and password associated with your PayPal account. PayPal will then ask you to authorize Depop to access certain information. Review the permissions carefully, and if you're comfortable, click agree or grant permission. You should be redirected back to the Depop app, and you'll see a confirmation message that your PayPal account is now successfully linked. Woohoo! If you run into any snags, double-check you're using the correct PayPal email address and password. You might need to reset your PayPal password if you've forgotten it, and if you're still stuck, reach out to Depop support team. They're super helpful. That's all there is to it. Connecting your PayPal to Depop makes everything so much easier. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Depop tips and tricks. Happy selling!